You can probably think, you can see here that the regulations is actually quite restrictive, but like what Farhan mentioned earlier as well, CM is actually very supportive, and they're actually working towards amending the regulations to help grow the industry. But before that, while working within the strict regulations, they have also published 3 CADs, or Civil Aviation Directives. So what this CAD means is it actually ensures that drone operators or remote pilots in Malaysia are competent. Very important, they have to be competent. And this can only be achieved by having a standardized curriculum and assessment criteria. So this standardized curriculum and assessment criteria has to be approved by the authorities. So RPTOs like us teach us a standardized curriculum, and we have seen a growth in the need for drone operators to be certified. So RCOC, or the Remote Pilot Certificate of Competency, actually demonstrates that a remote pilot understands, the regulations, operating requirements, and procedures for safe flying of drones. So in this, throughout this course, to obtain this certificate of competency, there is a stringent theoretical exam, a theory exam. There is also a practical assessment that you need to pass before you get that certificate. I think drones is a very new industry, and employees are definitely open in hiring from different backgrounds. So same with Farhan, I think he does a lot of self-initiative, besides just initiatives by Meranti, is we also receive a lot of applicants. We receive actually employers wanting to hire some of our trainees. And I think employers are open for people from different backgrounds, but of course, this will be dependent on the types of job they are hiring for. One thing we have to point out, whether it's adjustments in policy or regulations, is more, there is an increase in awareness of regulations. So we know this in 2022, we will see it in 2023 as well. And we would likely see, commercial entities and government organizations actually adopt more stringent SOPs internally and develop internal policies even before an update of the aviation regulations is complete. So hopefully we'll see good things in the coming year.